document. I use 19 by 10.75, which is the size for the Glowforge interface. Choose the type tool and type your text. Under character, choose your font. I went with Hello Wedding because I really like it's a nice script font. Make it whatever size you would like. Go to the type menu, create outlines. That's going to create an outline of your text. You can see that there are overlapping paths. So if you wanted to move each letter, you would ungroup and you can move any letter you want to. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to group it back together. Under Pathfinder, if you don't already have the Pathfinder window, you would come here to select it. I'm going to unselect it, and now I'll go back and select it so you can see how it comes up. And you're going to want to choose this right here. And that's going to merge your overlapping paths together. See, you could still cut those two separate pieces if you wanted to. You can move it over and merge those together. I like it like this. I'm going to check my paths so that everything is closed, and then I'm ready to save as an SVG and upload it to Glowforge. You can save it wherever you want to. These are just the settings I use. And that's it. You're ready to go.